is known, or is the only institution, public institution here in the region that has the innovation hub or the innovation center. And during the workshop, we talked to the vice chancellor in charge of academics, who also consolidated fears over stealing works of the innovators, and he also appealed stakeholders and government to guard against this vice. Alex Ahumuza here at Kabale University.
Yeah, we have fears that every innovation actually, by its name, an innovation, is prone to being stolen, because an innovation is a unique idea which comes from the deep thinking of somebody's brain, and it's only unique to the innovator. And being an innovation, it has value. It can result into a commercialized or a commercializable product, and therefore it is highly prone to being stolen. And that's when the issue of intellectual property comes in, and the issue of registration of the innovation. We have had cases where innovation from our researchers, our students here at Kabale University have been, I don't want to use the word stolen, but have been taken up by other secondary innovators to the loss of the primary innovators. So this is something that we need to guard against, and this workshop will really help us a lot to equip us with the knowledge on how to navigate around intellectual property and innovation registration.
Ready. Over the years, we will know that the head of state has been emphasizing the innovation and technology as initiatives to boost the economic growth of the country. Today at Kabale University, Kabale University has hosted innovators across Western Uganda, and we've gotten a chance as well to speak to an official from the Ministry of ICT. Sir, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Your name, the position you hold, and what is the dissemination, what is the workshop about?
My name is Amos Mpungu. I'm a principal IT officer for the Ministry of ICT and National Guidance. So we're here today specifically to disseminate the IP guidelines for the ICT. What we have in this is basically, having looked at the different laws that exist around IPs and the policies, we felt it important, as one of the challenges identified within the innovation ecosystem is protection of intellectual property for the innovators. So we found it as quite important that we actually break down the policies and the laws, what they say about IP. So the ministry engaged with our development partners from JICA. We have actually broken down the policy, the IP policy. We have broken down the laws and put them in simpler language that can be understood by anyone who is within the innovation ecosystem.